Welcome to the LeMoyne Living Laboratory. Here at the LeMoyne Living Laboratory, the kids at the LeMoyne Gardens Unit of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Harlingen, Texas, are engaged in exciting hands-on learning as they explore the science of butterflies.
Bug finder. How about this one right here? Take a look at that one. Yeah. It's a nice big fat one right there.
In spring of 2021, they created their living laboratory by planting a butterfly garden with milkweed, mistflower, and red salvia. Among them were Franny Camacho, Kalia Gill, Arlette Mares, Valeria Heredia, and Victor Heredia.
How did you do this? Can I help you?
Over the next few months, their garden grew into a beautiful laboratory of life. They did such a great job of planting their garden that in the fall of 2021, queen and monarch butterflies swooped in and laid their eggs on milkweed plants. Soon the garden was filled with caterpillars, and the kids gathered and watched this miracle unfold before their eyes.
Kalia says there's a blue one. Show me, Kalia.
Right there on that leaf right there.
Yeah.
And this one right
Gosh,
here.
yeah. They do have slightly different colors. It's called
Over
color
here.
variation.
Over here, there's
These are some of the brightest, most
there it is.
enthusiastic, and inquisitive minds you'll ever find anywhere in this whole wide, awesome
Dominic?
world.
I found
And
one
right
of them.
here at LeMoyne
Oh,
Gardens.
there it is, right up there.
Oh, wait.
Yep, there it is, right up there. It's a little queen.
They have shown an inexhaustible hunger for knowledge and exploration as they learn about the life cycle of the monarch butterfly.
I tried to worm it. It's
No.
Yeah, I think it's endangered somewhere.
Can I be next?
It's from the back.
Warm. You have to get it warm. And then if it's cold, it'll from the back.
It will.
My garden is so full of caterpillars, there's not enough food for them, so I brought them over here so they could eat some more. And we have
The thing I love about this garden is that there's a lot of caterpillars, and like we get to help them to eat.
Okay, Fanny's talking.
And like we like to help them to grow into butterflies.
Talking
And
to
like
Fanny.
do we help them like to eat? Cause like how we planted the plants, at first they're like that little, and now they're so big, and they help the caterpillars eat. And before there was never caterpillars and butterflies, and now there is.
Yeah,
I'm gentle.
that's right. Okay, thank you, Franny Camacho. Sister, and these two sisters are some super cool gardeners and bug finders. And Kaylee, tell me what you see over here. Let's see here.
Oh,
Caterpillars right here.
Sorry?
Right here, there's a caterpillar.
Yeah, you see that caterpillar? Okay, show me another one.
Right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
So,
there's another one.
yeah, you found another one. There you go. And nobody had to point those out to you. You saw them on your own. That's because you're a great bug finder. You're a super cool bug finder. Actually, these aren't bugs. These are insects. There's one. Victor Heredia. People have skeletons. Caterpillars have.
Exoskeletons.
That's right. Thank you, Victor Heredia, age 9. Leslie Viastana. How many times does a monarch caterpillar shed its exoskeleton?
5 times.
5 times. Melanie Tudon.
Hi.
What is the host plant for the monarch butterfly?
A milkweed.
A milkweed plant. Thank you very much, Melanie Tudon. Here we have Miss Kalia Gill, 8 years old. Kalia, can you tell me the difference between a queen caterpillar and a monarch caterpillar?
A queen caterpillar has 3 sets of antennas, and a monarch caterpillar has 2 sets of antennas.
That's right. Thank you very much. Tell me what you just found down here.
So I found a caterpillar turning into a chrysalis,
Okay,
and that's called metamorphosis.
that's right. Thank you very much, Aiden. Aiden is a super cool science student at LeMoyne Gardens.
How the plants grow? Yeah, and how they eat. Yeah, and
Okay.
what kind of them. And there's different kind of bugs and like flowers.
Yeah. Okay. What kind of plants do we have out here? Do you remember?
And no.
Okay. We got
milkweed.
We got milkweed. What are these right here? What are these? What kind of plants are these?
I don't remember.
You just said it.
Milkweed?
These are milkweeds. But you see how you planted this, and now the stems are just stripped of leaves. You know why?
For the
Because y'all did such an awesome job planting this that the butterflies, the queen butterflies and the monarch butterflies. Okay, here we have Kaylee Camacho, who is also one of the original planters. And Kaylee, I want to show you. Let's see. I bet. Yeah, there it is. Okay, hold it right there. We'll get a nice close up. Let me see here. There it is. It turns off. Haley Camacho has found another super cool monarch caterpillar. Good job. Let's see, where is it?
right here.
Show me.
It's like right here. I don't know if you can see.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good bug finder. How about this one right here? Take a look at that one. Yeah. It's a nice big fat one right there. Okay, what'd you find there? You found a ladybug? Beyonce found 3 more. Leslie found 3 more.
One right here. One right here. And
Where?
then there's another
Let me
one
see,
right
show
there.
me.
And then right there. And then there's another one right here.
Right there.
Hey, move! No. They have the queen, but I don't know what's specific to queen. Don't.
Well, I don't know, something. You see the red REC? It's recording.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's